Hello viewers, in today's video we are going to talk about a very simple solid material that is available in the lab, that is our silica gel. So we all know that silica gel is a desiccant. It's used to absorb moisture, and usually the silica gel, with the passage of time, it uptakes the moisture. So there is a color change, and that color change could be due to the increased mass, or it has stopped the capability to it's saturated. Okay, so there are certain procedures that's called regeneration or restoration or recycling. So we can regenerate this silica gel by heating in a conventional laboratory oven as a standard practice. Typical condition indicating silica gel at 120 degrees C or 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 hours, or up to 130 to 145 degrees C for 2 to 3 hours, depending on the manufacturer guidance. So we will have to adhere to the MSDS or self-safety data sheet as per the provided by the manufacturer. Now, non-indicating silica gel up to 150 degrees C, avoid more than 160 degrees. So we don't have to go beyond 160 to prevent damage. Some conservation guides also allow 60 degrees C for 6 to 7 hours when packaging materials, okay, that cannot tolerate high heat. Usually it can go till 150, 160. Do not overheat packaging materials, okay, that can deform above 90 to 121 degrees C. Avoid microwave ovens for sealed packets. Okay, now you also have to remove any foreign debris. If there is a foreign material here, so you have to remove it. If using loose beads, spread in a single layer or a clean glass metal spray. Okay, now after that, remove from the tray in which you are heating and put into a desiccator. Already in my channel I have talked about the manual based oven, the big box based oven. Okay, now also between uses, keep gel covered in desiccator or sealed. So it has to be sealed. There has to be a sealant so that there is no percolation or entering of the moisture, and regenerate if it catch moisture. Okay, avoid mixing fresh and spent beads without labeling. Keep track cycles to anticipate the replacement. And reuse criteria is replace bead that show dye fading, dusting, or physical breakdown. So if there is a lot of dust here, so you have to replace this. So these are silica gel. Already it has catch moisture. So now I will show you that after heating it became blue. Okay, so I've heated at 150 degrees C for 1 to 2 hours. So you can see this is already blue, so we will replace this. So now you can see that already I have replaced. Okay, I will try to keep it here down. Okay, so this is the replaced silica gel. I've closed it now very well. Okay, so this is all about the reusing of silica gel over certain interval of time.